Vivo's Y18 series includes 3 phones: Y18, Y18i, and Y18e. Today, the brand unveiled a T model as the 4th member of the lineup. The Vivo Y18t is powered by the Unisoc T612 SoC, runs Android 14-based FunTouch OS 14, and has 4GB RAM and 128GB of storage on board, which is expandable by up to 1TB via a microSD card. The Vivo Y18t has a 6.56-inch 90Hz HD+ LCD on the front with a 269 ppi pixel density and an 840 nits brightness. The display has a notch for an 8MP selfie camera. There's no fingerprint scanner underneath the display since it's an LCD panel, but Vivo hasn't ditched it since it's embedded in the power button. Around the back, you get 2 cameras, a 50MP primary and a 0.08MP auxiliary unit. The Vivo Y18t packs a 5000 mAh battery that draws power through a USB-C port at up to 15W. Vivo says the bundled adapter can fully charge the battery in 145 minutes, which is about 2.5 hours. If all this sounds familiar to you, it's because the Vivo Y18t is the Y18i with higher res cameras, higher HBM brightness, double storage, Bluetooth 5.2 versus 5.0, and a side-mounted fingerprint scanner. Or, you can also see it as the Y03t with better cameras, more brightness, and a side-mounted fingerprint scanner since the Y03t and Y18i are identical. The Vivo Y18t is IP54 rated and comes in space black and gem green colors. It's priced at 9,499 Indian rupees, $115/€105, and is available in India through Vivo's official website. The Y18i was launched at 7,999 Indian rupees, $95/€90 in India.